here you can see I have connected my Samsung phone to my TV. You can see both the screen are playing the same. Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how you can cast the screen of your Samsung phone to your TV screen. So I have Samsung Galaxy phone, and you can just open this above tab and search this option Smart View. Your Samsung phone must have this Smart View option, and you just need to turn it on and then connect it to your TV. Just I am opening it and then I am showing it. Now I will connect my phone to my TV using Smart View option. I will open my phone. Make sure that your TV should have this screen sharing option. This is must to do this process. And now I'm opening Smart View and selecting my TV. You can see this is my TV. I'm selecting it. I'm clicking on start. Now you can see my phone screen is connected to my TV. I can play anything, like for example I want to play Facebook. I'm playing it. I'm playing YouTube as well. I can play anything. Let me play one video. You can see this video is playing on. You can see all videos are getting played. You can see. So I hope friends now you will be able to connect your Samsung phone to your TV and enjoy watching it on a bigger screen. Thank you friends. Bye bye and take care.